guys, today we're going to do the deck flip card trick tutorial. Let's begin. So right here you have a deck of cards for sure. You're going to remember the bottom card again. You need to remember the bottom card, which is the 10 of hearts. And then we're going to have the pick one card, which for the videos I'll know it is the 5 of hearts. I'm going to put it on top of the deck. And it's like the instant magician card trick, you just put it on top. Remember the 10 of hearts, like so. And then we're gonna just find the 10 of hearts. That's where your card would be above. That's where their card would be above the 10 of hearts. That's called the key card. So the 5 of hearts. And then I'm gonna put the card, the 5 of hearts, to the bottom of the deck. Do not show it because they will know. Like so. And I'm gonna have to just do 2 weapon cards. Doesn't matter which card it is in. So you'll say that I'll have 2 cards to help me find your card. And then I'm gonna have like here, and you put like this, a thumb on the card, but right here you're gonna put your middle finger, like this, like so, like this. You can use this finger like so. Do it like that, like this, and like and then just throw the card up. You need some practice for that. So the 2 cards throwing the card out. You have to get some practice for that, but also not work. And then is the 5 of hearts. And then that's it. That's the card trick. And that's it. That's the card trick. And then stay tuned for Tuesday, which is tomorrow, the card double tutorial. Wednesday, card flicking and spin tutorial. Thursday, real time 2. Friday, card guess game day 2. Saturday, recap for 5. Most view videos, I'll just do a recap of like how I do like the extra tutorial about like the 5 most viewed videos. If it's a tutorial, I don't know how. I just do more the tutorial maybe, or I do some card tricks, something like that. I haven't figured out if it's a tutorial for the most views. And Sunday we'll do the card throwing 2. Supposedly my Falcon playing cards, my Falcon throwing card pack is coming the 21st, but just in case if it's not here on Sunday, it's just like the 24th. If it's not here on Sunday, we'll just do card guess day 3, and we're just gonna wait for the card to come. And once again, today is just the deck flip card trick tutorial. Tomorrow, Tuesday, is the card double tutorial. Wednesday is card flicking and spin tutorial. Thursday, real time 2. Real time 2. If you guys haven't seen real time, please watch real time. It's just a fun real game, and you'll get prizes if you get it right. So check it out. So Friday is card guess game day 2. If you haven't seen card guess game day 1, or just card guess game, fun game, you have to watch it. You know how to do it. It's pretty easy. I'll teach you how to do it in the video, which is in Friday, and then again a video posted tomorrow at 12 a.m. So for tomorrow, for today's video, it will come out 11 p.m. Pacific Daytime. I live in Mountain Daytime because I don't know why, but it's 12 a.m. Mountain Time. And then yeah, and then next week I don't know what I'll do. Maybe I'll do some like more card trick games or card throwing things. So yeah, I hope you have a great day. Stay safe, everybody, and stay safe and let's um, just stay safe and be the best of yourself. Goodbye.